Breaking news. On November 22, 2024, a 72-year-old Pennsylvania woman fell victim to a PayPal phishing scam and lost $15,000. This sophisticated scam bypassed filters, fooled the victim, and exposed how dangerous modern email fraud has become. In this video, we'll explain exactly how the scam worked, the red flags to watch for, and a step-by-step guide to protect yourself. Let's get into it so you can stay ahead of these scammers and keep your hard-earned money safe. How the scam happened. Step-by-step breakdown. This scam was carefully crafted to look legitimate and manipulate the victim into compliance. Step 1. Fake PayPal email. The woman received an email claiming her PayPal account had been compromised and required immediate action. The email used convincing PayPal branding and urgent language to pressure her into acting quickly. Step 2. Fake customer service call. The email provided a fake customer service phone number, which she called. Scammers pretending to be PayPal representatives claimed they were helping her protect her account. Step 3. Cash withdrawal and fake courier. The scammers convinced her to withdraw $15,000 in cash from her bank for safekeeping. They then sent a fake courier to her house to collect the money, claiming it would be secured on her behalf. By the time she realized the truth, the money and the scammers were gone. Red flags you need to watch for. Scammers are getting smarter, but these warning signs can help you spot a phishing attack. Suspicious email addresses. Legitimate emails from PayPal will always come from @paypal.com, not unknown domains. Urgent or threatening language. Scammers pressure you to act quickly, claiming your account will be suspended or compromised. Fake phone numbers. Always verify customer service numbers directly from the company's official website. Requests for cash or personal information. PayPal, or any real company, will never ask you to withdraw money or share sensitive information. Unusual delivery methods. Legitimate service will not send a courier to your door to collect money. This is a major red flag. How to protect yourself. Step-by-step guide. Here's exactly what you need to do to stay safe from phishing scams like this one. Step 1. Verify before acting. If you receive an email claiming to be from PayPal, log into your account directly through PayPal's official website. Do not click links, call numbers, or reply to the email. Step 2. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. Add 2FA to all your accounts, including PayPal and your bank, for an extra layer of protection. Step 3. Check email headers and addresses. Double-check the sender's email address for any inconsistencies or unfamiliar domains. Step 4. Use cybersecurity tools. Install anti-spam filters and advanced cybersecurity software, like CyberZone, to block phishing emails. Step 5. Educate your family. Talk to family members, especially seniors, about scams like these and teach them how to verify information. Step 6. Monitor your accounts. Regularly check your PayPal and bank statements for suspicious transactions or activity. What to do if you've been targeted. If you think you've fallen for a phishing scam, take these steps immediately. Contact the real PayPal immediately. Call PayPal's official number or visit their verified website to report the scam. Freeze your bank account. Notify your bank immediately and freeze your accounts to prevent further loss. File a report. Report the scam to the Federal Trade Commission, FTC, and your local law enforcement. Run a full security scan. Scan your devices for malware or spyware that could have been installed through the email. Change all your passwords. Update your PayPal, banking, and email passwords immediately to secure your accounts. How Cyber AI Pros can protect you. At Cyber AI Pros, we specialize in protecting individuals and businesses from phishing scams and cyber threats. Our tools and services can help you block malicious emails, secure your financial accounts, and monitor for suspicious activity. Visit cyberaipros.com to learn how we can keep you one step ahead of scammers. Conclusion. Don't be the next victim. This story shows how anyone, no matter how careful, can become a target of phishing scams. By knowing the red flags, taking proactive steps, and securing your accounts, you can avoid falling victim. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more ways to protect yourself online. Have you or someone you know been targeted by a scam? Share your story in the comments below so we can all stay informed. Stay safe, stay secure, and remember, knowledge is your best defense against cyber criminals.